Now, let's look at this story problem. The Earth is represented on a map of the solar system, so that its surface is a circle with this equation. So I put the equation right here, and then in decimal, I got this circle. Actually, the Earth is not a circle, it's an ellipse. But here, for simplicity, we assume the Earth has this circle equation. A weather satellite circles 0.7 units above the Earth, with the center of its circular orbit at the center of the Earth. So the satellite is higher. So that put probably somewhere here above. Anyway, is 0.7 units above. And then the center is the same with the center of the Earth. And then here, what we need is to find the equation for the orbit of the satellite on the Earth. And the first step here we want to do is to find the radius of the Earth. So here the solution is we want to find the radius of the Earth How do you find it? Here is the form. And we want to change this form to standard form. From standard form, then we can find out the radius of the Earth. In order to find out the standard form, we need to have a complete square. So I will copy x squared plus 4x down here, and then I will put y squared plus 2y, and then I will both sides, let me copy this one, negative 3716 first, equals 0. Let me first copy it. Then, for the standard form, the constant should be on the right-hand side. So you add 3716 on the right-hand side and on the left to cancel that. It basically shifts this term to the right-hand side and change the symbol from negative to positive. You can see here is positive. Okay. Now, how to make complete square? We know here we need to do is 4 divided by 2, you have a 2. And then 2 squared is 4. So you need a 4 here to get complete square. Then you also need to add 4 on this side. Similarly, 2 divided by 2, you get 1. And then you square this number, you then have a 1 squared, which is 1. This will be a complete square, which is x plus 2 squared. So is this one, which is y minus 1 squared. Add together. Okay. Here we add 1. Here we have to add 1. And here we add 4. Here we add 4. Okay. So the right-hand side is then what? Is then 3716 plus 1 plus 4, or plus 4 plus 1. So what we get is 3721. So 3721. Now, we choose the square root. That will be our radians. And then we squared. So basically, what is the radians of the Earth? That will be this one. That's the radians. Okay. So basically, the radians from 0 to here. That would be the radians. Okay. Now, we know the satellite is 0.7 units above the Earth, above the surface. And with the center of its circular orbit at the center of the Earth. So again, the center is the same. That tells us what? That tells us if the radians radical 3721 plus 0.7, this would be the radians of the satellite. This would be the radians of the satellite, right here. Because the radians plus 0.7, that would be somewhere here. There's a circle. Okay. Now, the center is the same. So on the left-hand side, they will be the same, like this. Okay. When you expand x plus 2 squared, it gets the same thing. Okay. When you expand y plus 1 squared, you get the same thing right here. So we may then, why not just copy the expand form 4x plus 4 here. And then here is plus 1 squared plus 2y plus 1. You may find out this value by using your calculator. It will give you 3806.89. Okay, and let's see. Remember, radical 3721 plus 0.7. I use an online calculator. Right here. You see, right here, is radical 3721 and then plus 0.7 and then squared. You get 3806.89. That's the radians of the satellite squared. Okay. All right. Now, we got this answer right here. And then we know we need to change this one to the standard form. Left-hand side, again, is this much. So we do is both sides subtract 3806.89, and then we subtract 3806.89. Then this will be disappeared. So right-hand side you get will be 0. Left-hand side you have a 4, 1, which is 5 together. So then the constant will be negative 380. Here is 6 minus 5, you get 1, and then 0.89. And those 1, 2, 3, 4 terms are the same, so you would copy it right here. That would be x squared plus 4x, or you may want to write is x squared plus y squared, and then 4x plus 2y. And then this will be the general form. General form of the circle of the satellite. Okay? That would be our final answer. Okay? All right. I'll see you next time.